Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday, March 5th, 2021. I hope everyone's doing well and having a great Friday. We've been talking about these different national days all week, and look what we've got today. National Day of Unplugging. Oh my goodness, I'm having phantom pains in my pocket already from my cell phone. Do you ever have those? Like you think your phone vibrated, but it didn't, right? Oh man, I'm just getting rid of it. I'm putting it off to the side. I don't want to think about that for a minute, but I like this idea of a National Day of Unplugging. Let's explore that in a few minutes. First, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You guys can have a seat. Make sure you're focused up here. So what would happen, oh my goodness, if you did a one whole day of no screen time? Such an interesting idea. So this national group has made this movement. They're like, you need a little break. We got information coming in all over the place. You have screens and information coming at you probably at home before you come to school, all day long during the school day. Probably the weird thing is multiple screens and multiple points of information. Like you might have your computer up and the teacher has a screen going. Your friend might show you something on their screen. Your phone vibrates in your pocket and you get a message. There's so much coming at you all the time. So here's the challenge with National Day of Unplugging is just to take a day. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, and just have it be one whole day off the grid. Maybe you do some different things. Maybe you read your Dr. Seuss books, right? That'd be kind of fun. Maybe you do some outside activities. I don't know what you do. I want you to just chat about this with your friends and with your class. Number one, what good things could happen if you unplug for one day? I'm not talking about giving your cell phone up forever, but what good things could happen if you unplugged for one day? And another question, what would you do? What would you do instead of screen time? I mean, you'd have a lot of free time on your hands. I don't know if you guys know this, but those of you who have cell phones, there's a place where you can go in there and see your screen time and your average screen time. And I can almost guarantee that if you go in there and check that, it will be much more than you think it is. In fact, another fun challenge after school, just make a little guess in your head. Yeah, I don't know. I think I probably spend like an hour online and go in there and check your screen time and you'll be like, oh my goodness, I spend an average of 6 hours online. Like what would I do if I had 6 more hours in a day to do things? So discuss those questions. They'll be on your screen. And I want to challenge you guys. Try to take a day of unplugged. Tomorrow's Saturday. Maybe just make that your whole day of no screen time. Have a great day, Achieve, and have a great weekend.